Much cut. Take it in and take care. Whiskey Mike, 7 Charlie, 6 Yankee 5 Charlie Bravo, 73. 73. You are that?
Kilo India 5 Whiskey Echo Sierra.
Kilo India 5 Whiskey Echo Sierra 5-9.
Hey Roger, thank you for the 5-9. I have you about a 5-5-55 Lima Alpha, Louisiana.
Thank you very much, Charlie Ben, 73. Bye-bye. You are that?
Look at that. SWR is not great, but you can still make a contact. Don't get it right, just get it on the air, but don't blow your radio up. Let's keep trying. Let's go a little bit further down the band.
This is KL7KK, where is that?
Kilo India 5 Whiskey Echo Sierra.
Kilo India 5 Whiskey India Sierra. Thank you very much for coming back to the call. You're 5 and 7, over.
Negative on the call sign. It's Whiskey Echo Sierra. Whiskey Echo Sierra. Yeah, I have you a little light, about a 5-2-52.
Okay, well, you took the time there. Kilo India 5 Whiskey Echo Sierra. You're about 5 and 7 earlier, but dropped right out, over.
Thank you, my friend. My SWR is not perfect. I appreciate it. 73, thanks for answering the call.
73, thank you there. This is KL7KK, where is that?
SWR is still not great. I have a high noise floor for some reason. I think it's something to do with these computers. I don't usually have that, so this is new for me. Come on, where's the other half of the contact? Clicky VFO. So this radio is pretty good for technicians, so you guys can get on 10 meters while it's still hot. At this point in the solar cycle, we're going to dial the power back some because of the mismatch in SWR. I'm going to see if I can do something about that SWR. Yeah, when I said SWR, I definitely meant RFI. Put a choke on it, brought it down a little bit, not a bunch.
Kilo Fox 6, Papa Union Whiskey 5-9 from Papa Romeo.
Fox 6, Papa Julian Whiskey, San Diego, California. What's your call sign?
Yes, my call sign is Whiskey Papa 4, Mike Tango Sierra. Whiskey Papa 4, Mike Tango Sierra.
Whiskey Papa 4, Mike Tango Sierra, you're 5-9 to San Diego.
Roger, Roger, thank you for the contact, 73.
73.
Your set, this is Whiskey Papa 4, Mike Tango Sierra.
Kilo India 5 Whiskey Echo Sierra.
India 5 Whiskey Echo Sierra 5-9 Papa Romeo.
Roger, Roger. Thank you for Papa Romeo. I have you about a 5-5-55 into Lima Alpha, Louisiana, USA, USA. Thank you for Puerto Rico.
Thank you, Kieran.
Look at that, Louisiana, Puerto Rico, $200 radio. How cool is that? SWR is not perfect. This proves you don't always have to get it right, just get it on the air. Now, you don't want to blow your radio up, but... Let's see if I can help that RFI out a little bit. Okay, I unplugged some more stuff, but still didn't lower it enough. I bet I could turn this RF gain from wide open, and that would help a little. Let's dial the squelch. The clarifier and the squelch are not where they used to be. Still not the biggest fan of the clicky VFO knob.